Okay, so this is intended to be a relatively short lecture. I agreed with Mark that we should try to finish a little bit before 10 o'clock so that we can have time to do both of the practical or the student presentations. So the topic is the brain and attention, which is borderline in many ways to what Mark is going to talk about later on consciousness, because attention is really one of the psychological phenomena in many ways, which is sort of our consciousness, which can direct itself to different parts of our brain function. It's a specific issue in many ways related to how we can sort of change the conscious processing of what the brain is actually doing. The simplified version is basically that while I'm talking now, hopefully you're paying attention to what I'm saying so that you don't pay too much attention to the irritating sound which is coming from the ventilation system. But now that I've directed your attention to it, you have problems actually ignoring it. Probably those of you who are sitting close to the projector can also hear the projector, and some of you might even start listening to what is going on outside the lecture hall, etc. All of those sounds normally you would be filtering away if you're interested in what I'm saying rather than just daydreaming and beginning to listen to other things. So this is sort of the spotlight of our consciousness that we can direct at different parts of our sensory system, and also of course, to different parts of our mental faculties. So just to give you an example of how attention can be studied, I've taken this video film, which is hopefully working. Some of you may have seen it before, but it's a test of attention where you have to closely observe what is happening and report afterwards what you observed. It's relatively straightforward. Some people playing basketball, and you have to just pay attention to what is happening. So count how many times the player's wearing white pass the ball. This is the first question here. Did you get it? 16? And du får det at se her, ikke? So what you should observe here, now they're running it slowly. First of all, you see the gorilla coming in. You should have seen one of the black players has actually now left the game, so there are only 2 black players. And if you look at the curtain, now it's yellow. It started out being red. So there are lots of information which should be right there in front of you, but which you ignore because you're paying attention to the passes between the white players. And if there's something black walking in, you're filtering it out. And you're filtering out what is happening in the background, and you don't even notice one of the black players leaving the game. So all of these things can happen right in front of you without you noticing it. So our attention is extremely dangerous. If we're paying attention to one thing, we miss most of other things which are there. This is the reason why we are really, really bad witnesses. We have absolutely no idea what is happening outside the area where we're paying attention. This is also why it's actually possible for people to do magic and really fool us, because they just direct our attention doing like this, and then the other hand can do whatever without our noticing it. It's quite easy.